In 2050, advanced AI robots perform every job on Earth. Ultra-modern smart cities glow with neon lights. Autonomous flying cars fill the skies. Robotic traffic systems manage the flow. Humanoid robots work in offices and hospitals. They also work in restaurants and construction sites. Robots are on farms and in police departments. They even work on space stations and in schools. Robots collaborate with humans to solve problems. They grow food with precision farming. Robots clean oceans and generate renewable energy. Holographic screens display vital information. Quantum computers process vast amounts of data. AI decision-making hubs control global operations. Life has changed dramatically. Humans have adapted to this new reality. There are benefits and challenges. Lighting and realistic colors are key. Smooth camera movements capture the scenes. Slow-motion moments add emphasis. Zoom-ins focus on robot eyes. Wide shots show AI-run megacities. Robots manage global operations efficiently. Humans and robots work side by side. The world is cleaner and more organized. AI helps solve complex problems. Technology improves daily life. But questions about control remain. The future is uncertain. Is the future safer or scarier? The answer is up to us.